Hi guys, so this is Perfect Practice 123, and I want to say hello. So, I'm really sleepy and tired, but yeah. Okay, I'm on the phone with Angelica82. Say hello.
You're gonna make another video right now.
Okay. Alright, well, I'll turn you off. Okay. So anyways, yeah, I want to say hello, and I'm going to be singing, a Filipino song for you guys, and yeah. So I'm gonna put myself on mute, okay? I don't like singing. Oh! Okay, hold on, I'm gonna put myself on mute. Okay, so here I go. Wait. I know, I'm really sleepy. It's like 10:33 p.m. But I have no school tomorrow, so I'm just gonna like chill and make YouTube videos for you guys. That's how much I care. Oh, and a shout out to Hello ZZL for being my awesome BSFL. Best sister for life. I know she's not my real sister. She's just really cool. So yeah. I'm gonna be singing Bakit Pa by Jessa Saragoza. Saragoza? Okay. Here I go. And I hope you guys really like it. And it's a Filipino song, and it's called Bakit Pa by Jessa Saragoza. And yes, I am Filipino. There you go. Sorry, long intro. Yeah, so this is actually one of my favorite Filipino songs ever, and I always sing it on karaoke. So thank you, and subscribe and like, and I hope you guys really like. And yeah. Parang di kaya pasabuhay ako sa lakad. Amin ang kaibig kung puso ay nag-iisa. Sino ang aking tatawagin? Sino ang hahanapin? Sino ang magpupuno sa aking paglalambing? Bakit ka ba nakita? Bakit ka ba kilala? Kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang ang sasaktan. Kung sa higit sa akin, naramang ang kaparamdam nito ay aking kakayanin. I know, I don't sing this song really well. Parang di yata kakaya, pag sa buhay ko wala ka, aming ang paibig, kung puso ay nag-isa. Sino ang aking tatawagin? Sinong ang kakaganapin? Sinong ang magpupuno sa aking palalambing? Bakit ka ba nakita? Bakit makakilala? Kung ang puso ko ay huwag na lang isasaktan. Kung sa higit sa akin, naramang ang pagdaramdam nito ay aking kakayanin. No, that's fine. Kung sa higit sa akin, naramang ang pagdaramdam nito ay aking kakayanin. Bakit ka ba nakita? Bakit pa nakilala kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang ang sasaktan? Kung sa higit sa akin narumang ang pagdaramdam nito ay aking kakayanin. Bakit ka pa nakita? Bakit ka pa kilala kung ang puso ko ay iiwan mo lang ang sasaktan? Kung sa higit sa akin narumang ang pagdaramdam nito ay aking kakayanin. So I really hope you guys like the song, and it's a Filipino song by Jessa Zaragoza. Oh, and one more thing, it's a shout out to my famous aunt, not the aunt in my video, but I have another aunt, and she's really famous, but she's not that famous anymore, but only in the Philippines. Her name is Sasha Padilla, and she's my aunt, because my aunt's last name is Padilla, and mine is Silveria. So I really hope you guys like this video, me singing Filipino songs. So yeah, just remember I'm Filipino. Subscribe up there and like down below, please. Thank you.